Hey guys, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. So here I am with an unboxing of some of Stephanie Fleming's favorites that are going along with the release of her new book, Plan a Happy Life. So these are some of the favorites that Stephanie has chosen to send out to some of the squad members, and I'm so excited to be able to share this with you, and so excited and so happy for Stephanie for achieving a goal of writing her book and publishing her own book. And we as planner babes get to I guess we get to benefit from all of her favorite planner stuff. All right, so let's get started. So just opening up this box, the first thing here, I've already had a quick look in here. The first thing in here is this planner keychain. I'm going to zoom in. So this here is a mini gold disc keychain. I love that. So you can put that on your keychain. You can probably put it on your planner as like a planner charm. But this is absolutely adorable. I love this. When Stephanie did this on her sneak peeks, this is one of the things that I was so looking forward to, is this mini disc keychain. I haven't decided if I'm going to put it as a planner charm, or if I'm going to put it on a pencil pouch, or put it on my keychain. I haven't decided yet. What do you guys think? The next thing in this box is a pen case. So these are all in the colors of Stephanie's planner. So this is the color scheme that she went with all of her planner stuff. But what I love about this is you've got this strap here, so you can put this around your planner. And I haven't taken it off the box yet, but just giving a quick look inside. It's actually spacious enough that you can put all your pens, some washi, things like that, but I love the color scheme of this. I feel like this rainbow will match with absolutely anything. The next thing that is in here, I love this. This is Skinny Classic filler paper. So it's everyday paper. So you've got on the front happy list, but then on the back it will be a dot grid paper. So this is really useful to put in. I mean, if you have a Skinny Classic planner, definitely use this, but also this is just good for everyday stuff. I love the happy list. The next thing is the plastic envelope. So you get two in here. So the first one says Life is a Million Colors. Sorry for the reflection. Life is a Million Colors. And then the other one is Stay Colorful, Babe. I like that. But basically with the planner envelopes, you can use them for, what I like about them is that if you guys use your planner as kind of like a purse planner and you keep everything in there, these planner envelopes are good for, you know, your cash envelopes if you're doing budget that way, or just putting receipts and things in here and keeping it all in one spot. That's what I love about these. The next thing, I haven't decided what to go with first. Okay, so the journal. This is an 80-page journal, and it's got the plastic black discs there, but I love the cover. I love the cover. It's super neutral. And I don't know if I can do a quick flip through. I don't know if I can get the view in here, but goal, plan, evaluate. So they've got 4 dashboards in here, and when you open it up, you've got the dot grid paper, but the journaling section itself, I'll show you here. So there's 2 pages there. The journaling section itself, so you've got date, reflection, gratitude, and so reflection you can add in the reflection you've got the grid, and then in daily gratitude you've got lines. So for those who have trouble with daily journaling, this is actually a great way to be able to journal whenever you feel like it, rather than being pressured to journal on a day-to-day basis. And I really want to try this method of journaling. So I love the colors of it. I feel like this is something that I would do is instead of with these color blocks I would use a highlighter. And then once you've done those, there's also a few pages, where was it I saw it? Yeah, a few pages in the middle of just dot grid. So anything that you want to do notes on, mind map, anything like that. Really, really cute journal. So the next thing is the planner, and I know so many of you are looking forward to this. So it's the 2021 planner, so January to December. It's a vertical layout. You've got the gold plastic discs. What I love about this is that the color scheme is very much in line with the book, and you get a little thing here from Stephanie, but it feels very much in line with like the old, or not the old, but like the original Happy Planner style. And if you look in here, it is very, very neutral. And I love that. Like, look at that. You've got the color up there, yes, but it's not so much that it's going to overtake everything. And then even the monthly pages, like these pages here, it's like a black canvas that you can do absolutely anything to. And Stephanie did say that these dashboards really coincide with stuff that's in the book. So if you have the book, you'll be able to see that these dashboards really coincide with what she's got in there. And look at how neutral that is. Just black print, black numbers, black lines, and that goes in with here as well. I know so many people who love how neutral this is, and it's going to be their planner, but I absolutely love the neutral in this as well. I'm not a classic planner by any means, and vertical is not normally my style, but I absolutely love this, and I'm not sure, I can't decide now. I mean, this doesn't start until January, but I'm trying to see how I can use this planner, because it is super, super pretty. I mean, look at that. Those are the dashboards. This one's very neutral, super pretty. Look at that. Really, really cute. And then let's go to May. Celebrate the simple things in life. We've got June. So I can see how this definitely works with Stephanie's book. You are, oh, I love the yellow in that one. August, purpose, planning, positivity, persistence. Stephanie's 4 Ps. Then we've got September, plan a happy life. And then October, define your passion, nurture your creativity, and take hold of your dreams. November with the gold discs. And ooh, December, that's a cute background. There we go, and then some notes in the back, but I love the cover. I love the inside cover of that as well. Okay, so that is the planner. Lastly are the sticker books. So excited. So there's 2 sticker books. One is Happy Goals. So just a quick flip through of this here, of Happy Goals. I don't know what's the best view of this. Hold on. I moved the box out of the way here for easier viewing. So just going in here. Again, the color scheme is going with what is in the book. And it's not normally my color scheme, but I think these are so, so pretty. I love this. Love these. And they'd be really, really great for journaling. My favorite, I think, are these translucent stickers. They are so pretty. And I love the softness in the colors. I like that body, mind, and soul. These remind me of the little awards that I would get in grade school in the Philippines when we would, it was like, in the Philippines it was best dressed, or, you know, things like that. Defining my purpose. To be honest, I mean, these stickers are pretty, but for me personally, I don't know how I would personally use these. I think these are great for journaling and things like that, but we'll see. I don't know if I could necessarily make a whole planner spread with these, but I guess that would be the next challenge, is to give that a try. Make it a habit. These would be good in monthly spreads, absolutely. I think these are my favorite out of all the stickers, because I feel like you could use these anywhere. I love quote stickers, you guys know that. Goal, plan, evaluate. I like those. Ooh, these I could definitely use in the fitness planner. I like these for bill payments and stuff. I could certainly do a monthly spread with these. I tried something new today. I love that. Broke up with perfection. Cute. Oh, these are interesting. I don't know how I would use that, but it's definitely something that I could make a tracker out of and keep that to myself. Really pretty, making just an entire spread with that. Ooh, goal, plan, evaluate. Practice positivity. You can make your own awards. I like that. Nourish your mind. I feel like I really need to make a wellness or a fitness planner spread with this. Love the discs here. These are my favorites. I really like those. I love the writing. Love the writing. Really, really pretty. All right. Next is Live Creatively. You guys can see that. So with Live Creatively, the differences, I think, I'm trying to think of the differences, but I mean, one is goals, one is for living creatively. So there are definitely different stickers in here. I do love this. Yes, there we go. Boxes. There's boxes and color schemes in here. So I think I could definitely use this one more than Happy Goals because this is mostly functional. I like it though. If dreams do not scare you, they are not big enough. Ooh, focus on the next thing, not all the things. Really like that. Love this color scheme. Oh. Yes, I could certainly use all these boxes and those hexagons. Super cute. This I could certainly use in a fitness spread or my wellness spread. I keep calling it fitness or wellness, but yeah. These are super cute. I love the boxes. Really, really nice. Goal, plan, evaluate. Cannot get over that color scheme. I'm not normally a rainbow fan, but I think I could totally make that work. Don't quit your daydream. I feel like this has a mix of, you know, the original sticker books that the Happy Planner had. And you've got, I feel like it really speaks to the original sticker books that they came out with. Really pretty. Ooh, I like those. Make it a habit, appointment. So this is more functional than the other one. I told my inner critic to shut up. That is cute. And then just one with the discs. So those are the sticker books. Absolutely love them. So here's everything laid out for you guys of what I received in my latest squad box. I am so grateful for everything that has been sent and so happy for Stephanie Fleming to have published a book. It's such a great goal and such a great achievement. And to have all of these planner favorites sent to us is just absolutely amazing. So if you guys are interested in purchasing any of these, I do have an affiliate link down below. So you can purchase these. They are available on the Happy Planner website as of August 25th at 9 a.m. Pacific time. And then, yeah, if you guys have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day.